Django REST 3.1.1 One-to-many serializer with many attribute. I want to create a simple serializer that everyone who want will be able to add a question with multi-answers, how many that he want. One question multi-answers. I want to be able to add with the build in HTML form and not to edit the JSON. My models. My URL.py. Now, when I run the web I get the message. Lists are not currently supported in HTML input. Please help smile. First edit. Even when I remove the many equals true, I get an error while trying to post. Assertion error at /questions/the. Create method does not support writable nested fields by default. Write an explicit. Create method for serializer API _project 2.urls.question serializer, or set read _only equals true on nested serializer fields. That's creates second problem, the create method that I don't know how to edit.
When you remove the many equals true, you get an error while trying to post because you have not rewrite the function create. You should rewrite the function create.
Your quote answers your question. The built-in HTML view input forms do not support lists. It seems that support was planned for 3.1, but I don't see any mention in the 3.1 release notes.
If you want to see more, use the server thing.